As a data scientist, you may be already familiar with the open source platform called Codalab Competitions. Today, I'll give you a brief overview of how to use a custom version of Codalab called Medical Imaging Challenge Infrastructure, or MedICI for short, to submit results to a medical imaging challenge. You can submit either results or code to a MedICI challenge based on the rules specified by the challenge organizer. Results contain your challenge solution in a spreadsheet or text file. They do not execute code on the platform, whereas code submissions do. Start by logging into the MedICI site by clicking Sign in the upper right. I am already signed in, as you can see. The competition you want to select may be on the home page in the list of popular competitions. And note that the words competition and challenge are used interchangeably in this video. Or you may need to click My Competitions and find your competition there. For this example, we are using Hello World to demonstrate how to submit results. When you first access the competition, make sure to register for it and accept the terms and conditions. Just click the competition to open it. Next, prepare your results according to the instructions provided by the challenge organizer in the Learn the Details and Phases tabs. Now click the Participate tab and then the Submit/View Results link. On this page, you can make new submissions and see previous submissions for each phase in the challenge. You can submit results as many times as the phase allows. Submissions should be in the form of a zip file. To submit your results, first describe the submission if you'd like to in this box, and then click Submit. Locate your zip file and double-click or click Open to select it. MedICI starts processing it immediately. Click Refresh Status until the status reads Finished. If there is an error in your submission, you can review the logs linked here for more information. Based on how the organizers set up the competition, you may be able to submit the best score you achieve with your results to the leaderboard. You can do this by clicking Submit to Leaderboard. You can remove your results from the leaderboard in the same way by clicking Remove from Leaderboard. Note that if you have multiple submissions on the page like I do, you may need to click the plus sign to expand the submission details to see either button, or you may need to refresh your browser window. The submission currently on the leaderboard is the one with the check mark next to it. Note that the challenge organizer customizes the availability of these buttons and will explain the rules for submitting results on the Learn the Details tab. If the challenge organizer allows you to see the leaderboard, you can find it on the Results tab. The leaderboard allows you to keep up with the progress of competitions you are participating in. Thanks for listening and good luck with your competitions.